Welcome back to Faithful Flavors. Today we're making a crispy and crunchy Indian snack, Chakli, also known as murukku, a perfect tea time snack or a festive delight that's golden, crunchy, and simply irresistible. Let's get started with this easy homemade recipe. For dry ingredients, in a mixing bowl, take half a cup of rice flour, add a pinch of salt, a sprinkle of black sesame seeds, and jeera that's lightly crushed between your palms. This releases its aroma beautifully. Now, add a pinch of turmeric for the perfect golden color. Give it all a good mix so the flavors blend evenly. Now, for preparing dough, heat some water till it comes to a boil. Slowly pour the hot water little by little into the rice flour mixture. At first, mix it with a spoon because it will be too hot. Once it cools slightly and is comfortable to touch, start kneading it with your hands. We are looking for a smooth, soft dough, not too sticky. If it feels too dry, add a spoon of warm water. If it's sticky, sprinkle a little of rice flour and make the dough. Once you press, it should form the finger shape and it should not come up. That is the perfect texture for it. After making it completely, you can give half an hour for rest. Later, take your chakli press or mold. Grease it lightly with oil and fill it with the dough. On a plate greased with ghee or oil, or on a butter paper, or you can take clean cloth. Press the chaklis gently in spiral shapes. You can make them big or small depending on how you like them. Also make sure the ends are sealed properly so they don't open while frying. And that should be the main point while making chaklis. For frying it, heat oil in a pan on medium flame. Once it's hot, carefully slide in the chaklis one by one. Fry them till they turn golden brown and crisp on both sides. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan. Give them space so that it can fry evenly. If you have a small pan, you can fry it one or two at a time. If you have a large pan, you can fry more. But also, depending upon its size, you have to do accordingly. When done, remove them onto tissue paper to absorb extra oil. They should be perfectly crunchy with that beautiful aroma, sesame and jeera. Let it cool completely before storing them.